Hello folks, we are celebrating the 70 years of the Citroen 2CV and 50 years of the Mehari. So we're going to do something we've never done before. So we decided to race 3 cars, the 2CV, the Mehari and the Tesla, over 3 days to the south of France. From our workshop in Wiltshire to Mehari Club Cassis' workshop in the south of France. What's over 1,000 miles. Now, en route, there's going to be a number of challenges to do on the way. You probably think it's a one-sided race, racing 2 lovely classic cars against the most advanced car available today. But the Tesla will need to stop and charge. So it should be a very close race. Now, I've got to be fair to the Tesla team. Once you watch the complete video, there's a lot of muppetry going on by the Tesla team, but in fairness to them, it's the first time they've ever been in the Tesla. I gave them probably 5-10 minutes of instruction. Well, you know, how to operate the car, well, how to operate a sat nav, how long you should charge for, all the rest of it. So in fairness, it is a very steep learning curve for the 2 of them. And I think, you know, considering they've done all right. By the way, if you're wondering why we are carrying around a basket of eggs all the way to the south of France, because that was one of the original design briefs for the Citroen 2CV, to carry a basket of eggs across a ploughed field without breaking any. So it's sort of a little play on that. Morning folks, here we are outside the workshop. We are, if you want to look at me, I'll show you the cars. There's a which way do you turn them around? Here we go. We are racing these 3 lovely cars. The 2CV was my son's car. We spent the last 2 years putting it back on the road. We have Justin White's Mehari. It was Justin. He spent 2 years putting it back on the road?
Yeah, more than 3.
3 years. And the first trip it's done is from London to my workshop. It's about 100 miles. And we're racing against a Tesla. Excuse me. Now, so let me introduce the teams for the cars. We have Team Tesla. What is Dave and Richard?
The good-looking ones.
Yeah, right. And then we have Team Mehari. What are these? Hello. two poor souls? look, they go right this greenhouse to the south of France. 950 miles. And we have Team 2CV. What is Neville, my good mate, and my son, and also me.
His good self.
So we have challenges. So Gemma will come and give out the challenges to the teams.
She's the barrel girl.
Yeah. I'll get James to read out the first challenge.
Right, okay, here we go. Oh. It's like being at the Oscars, isn't it?
Just don't bring out the wrong
Right. Saturday Challenge 1. Collect your team's basket of eggs from the adjudicator. It's Darren.
Yes.
Once the adjudicators have posted a group photo on Facebook, the clock will start. You need to drive to the Beefeater near Dover. Once you arrive, you need to post a team selfie with the eggs and the location in the background, and your clock will stop.
So now is the time for the eggs. Gemma, can you do the honours and all the camera?
They're not real eggs, surely.
They are.
Oh my God.
Are you sure we can take them in the fridge?
Microphone's at the bottom.
I was going to say, we're going to get stopped by customs with illegal eggs.
Take a tray of cream eggs. Cream eggs would be better. I'm all for cream eggs.
Can we use the eggs to throw at the other team?
I thought we'd get a decent basket.
Team 2CV.
Around too
Can you
much.
get a few more in there?
Team Mehari. And I'll prove to you they're real eggs in a minute. I'll get team...
Oh
I might put them straight.
I reckon we go into this beefeater and get them hard boiled.
Scrambled them, please. I'll have some scrambled eggs.
See, I was going to put them in the kettle tonight.
Hard boiled eggs.
We'll throw them at the...
Now this is a tray of eggs
Oh my goodness.
for Team Tesla.
When he said the eggs cost me a fortune, I thought, how much is a dozen eggs?
So we have 29 in Team 2CV. You got about 23.
Have we? No.
You got 165.
I actually like our basket better. It's a bit. Let's just.
And look, these are real eggs. All right.
That's a relief.
Yeah, it's a real egg. So you've got 164 now.
That's maybe in a photo shoot.
Yeah. So we're going to hit the road because we've got a ferry to catch at 1 o'clock. Catch you later.
Get the spray glue on it.
Yeah, no.
Don't try. What have we got now? What have we got with you? Well, see, they're stopping for fuel. We should keep going because we've got to stop for electricity.
Exactly. It takes us longer to refuel than them.
Yeah, I think.
Well, you're driving. It's up to you.
I think that's only fair.
I'm not sure fairness comes into it.
Well,
I don't think we have to be fair.
It's just like Top Gear, you know. You don't have to obey the rules.
Yeah.
We'll just say we got lost. Didn't see them turn. Didn't know where to go.
Well, the colours are so dark.
Yes, yeah. We didn't expect.
Yeah.
You know, we forgot to turn. There was a car up my ass.
Yeah.
And I said we'll keep going.
Let's get our excuses ready now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just don't let it be captured on camera. Right. Let's go. Don't spare the horses.
I want to be one of them ultra milers. Not.
Oh no!
No, mate. I'm a V8 man. I'm a bloke who puts my foot down in the M2.
Yeah, no hypermining in the Tesla.
Buying a 911, you know.
Yeah.
Well, it's lovely and warm in here, the Tesla here, Richard, I reckon. My seat is warming up lovely.
I would imagine that the 2CV and the Mehari are just the same. They'll have the climate control set, the electric seats on.
Yes.
They'll be listening to Radio 4, the dulcet tones of John Humphrey.
Who needs a fuel gauge working?
Gives you somewhat of a deal.
Hey, where the Tesla team go?
They're already there, they're just up here.
James gone already, have they?
No, they were behind us.
From one ancient monument to another, Stonehenge.